Did you know? 25 fascinating facts about your brain. Reference Dent Neurological Institute. Welcome to Tap the Good Spiritual Counseling and Transformational Coaching Services. I am your host, Dr. Mpalyankana. What do you know about your brain? It is vital to learn about our organs and how they operate, at least on a basic level. Please subscribe, share and click on the notification bell. Let's get into it. Fact 1. The brain is a very complex part of your body. It has the ability to send and receive a large amount of information. Because of this, there are still many mysteries about the human brain. Here are some quick facts to help you understand the most complicated organ in your body. Fact 1. Multitasking is impossible. When we think we're multitasking, we're actually context switching. That is, we're quickly switching back and forth between different tasks, rather than doing them at the same time. Fact 2. An adult brain weighs about 3 pounds. The cerebrum makes up 85% of the brain's weight, and the brain makes up about 2% of a human's body weight. The texture of the brain is like a firm jelly. Interesting fact. The heaviest normal human brain weighed 4.43 pounds. It belonged to the Russian writer Ivan Turgenev. And the smallest brain, just 2.41 pounds, belonged to a woman. And, no, this doesn't mean that women are dumber than men. Fact 3. About 75% of the brain is made up of water. Fact 4. The human brain will triple its size the first year of life. Fact 5. Headaches are caused by a chemical reaction. Chemical activity in your brain, the nerves or blood vessels surrounding your skull, or the muscles of your head and neck, or some combination of these factors, can play a role in primary headaches. Serotonin is a chemical necessary for communication between nerve cells. When serotonin or estrogen levels change, the result for some is a headache or migraine. Serotonin levels may affect both sexes, while fluctuating estrogen levels affect women only. Fact 6. The human brain contains approximately 100 billion neurons. Fact 7. It is a myth that humans only use 10% of our brain. We actually use all of it. We're even using more than 10% when we sleep. Although it's true that at any given moment all of the brain's regions are not concurrently firing. Brain researchers using imaging technology have shown that, like the body's muscles, most are continually active over a 24-hour period. Fact 8. Cholesterol is key to learning and memory. The brain has a higher cholesterol content than any other organ. In fact, about 25% of the body's cholesterol resides within the brain. The brain is highly dependent on cholesterol, but its cholesterol metabolism is unique. Fact 9. Dreams are believed to be a combination of imagination, physiological factors, and neurological factors. Fact 10. Short-term memory lasts about 20 to 30 seconds. Fact 11. A brain freeze is really a warning signal. A brain freeze happens when you eat or drink something that's too cold. It chills the blood vessels and arteries in the very back of the throat, including the ones that take blood to your brain. This is your brain telling you to stop what you are doing to prevent unwanted changes due to temperature. Fact 12. The brain can't feel pain. There are no pain receptors in the brain itself. But the meninges, coverings around the brain, periosteum, coverings on the bones, and the scalp all have pain receptors. Fact 13. The human brain gets smaller as we get older. Fact 14. Alcohol affects your brain in ways that include blurred vision, slurred speaking, and unsteady walk, and more. Fact 15. Your brain uses 20% of the oxygen and blood in your body. Fact 16. Exercise is just as good for your brain as it is for your body. Fact 18. The visual areas of the brain are in the back. Fact 19. Brain activity can power a small light bulb. Fact 20. Reading out loud uses different brain circuits than reading silently. Fact 21. Your brain is mostly fat. Fact 22. Sleep is imperative. Our body and brain require rest in order to function properly. Judgment, memory, and reaction time can all be impaired when someone does not have enough sleep. I hope you enjoyed these facts about your brain.